Good morning guys. Ang music natin sa taas medyo malakas. So good morning. This is 10:30 pa lang ng umaga. Happy Saturday sa inyo lahat. So mag-ano lang kami guys. Ang dami ng ganap this morning guys. Busy na guys. Busy ang store, busy ang load, busy ang ano pa yun. Ang daming ganap. So anyway, yun. So maybe today, this afternoon, baka punta muna kami sa grocery. Mag-refill tayo ng a little bit ng mga kulang. Yung mga fast moving, yun ang nire-refill para bago palagi. O diba? So magluto muna ako guys ng lunch. Gagawa tayo ng corned beef with potatoes. So, okay guys, magluto tayo ng 555 Carne Norte. Try natin siya. I think I tried this before. I'm not sure. With potatoes. And garlic and onion. Kuha muna tayo ng onion. Okay, so this is our ingredients. Kuha muna tayo ng onions guys. Ang onions ito, kulang na ito dito. Lang. Nag-grocery tayo sa store. So, ayan. Kumuha ko ng tang at saka magic syrup at saka onions. So, may yan na sausage tayo dyan kay daddy. At sa amin din po. Okay. Gawin natin yung tang para na may juice tayo. Okay guys, luto na yung pagkain. Ito na yung corned beef, eggs, kain tayo. Spaghetti si daddy guys. I turn off the light here. There. I-turn off ko siya guys kasi maliwanag naman dito. So kain muna tayo. Let's eat. So guys, good afternoon. Today is the weather is not all that good. It turned a little bit dark. It looks like the rain is gonna drop. But anyway, enjoy lang tayo. enjoy lang talaga tayo guys. So I have my tang. I put that in the fridge and then I put some more and then I put ice to make it cold. And then nag-i-snack lang guys kami ni daddy, still just taking our time kasi later ito guys, tara, ito yung snack natin. A bit later on guys, we are waiting to go to the mall. So we are just waiting for right timing to go to the mall, and then dapat tonight ay mag-disco kami. So, hindi lang ako sure kung aalis kami o hindi. Pero however that is, we're gonna make our Saturday fun. Okay? So, if we are not going to the restaurant tonight or inasal tonight or something, we're just gonna make up something so we can do something. Yun guys. So, this is our way of our way of enjoying our life here in the Philippines. See, we don't have to go to work. That is the blessing, guys, because work is so cold. Mm. So one of the things that me and Daddy appreciate is no more work in Australia, guys. Working in Australia is a pain in the muscles. So hard, so painful on the body. So now the dream had come true that we have to stop work and we just live, take our time. Take our time. When we were in Australia before we come here, we made a decision to travel for a month. So we went very far away from where we live until right up almost on the top of Queensland. We come from New South Wales. So it was a lot of driving. We had a Hilux Ute with us. Oh, it was a lot of driving, guys. Very tiring for that month. But we wanted to see that part of Australia. So when we come here in the Philippines, we don't have to wonder what they look like there. Because we did a lot of traveling within the New South Wales, within Sydney Opera House, Harbour Bridge. I've been 20 times, you know. We've been to Melbourne million times because that's where we catch the plane to Philippines. We've been in South Australia. I've lived in South Australia, in Adelaide, for 9.5 years. So I've been there. So me and Daddy are just taking really a good break, guys. We've been here in Philippines about 10 months on that time. Then we went back to Australia for 3 weeks, and then we come back here again. So we've been back for about 3 months as well. And one of the trip that we did is in Manila while we are here in Bacolod. So it's like 50 minutes by plane. So yeah. And we did a lot of traveling around here we are. So enjoy lang, guys, taking our time. Not too much because Daddy gets really tired quickly because of the heat. So he wants to go and then he wants to rest. He wants to go and then he wants to rest. It's just the heat, just too hot for just go. Yeah. So it's a good balance if you wanna enjoy your life here in Philippines so you don't get sick. Balance your sleep, balance your waking up time, balance your food, that you don't eat too much or you get fat. Not good. So yeah, try as much as possible to just limit the hard work. So we are only at home, guys. Sa bahay lang kami. And lumalabas din kami sa mall, restaurant, lots of Jollibees, lots of McDonald's, even at night time, lots of everything, you know, that we visit. So we're not hindi kami, guys, na yung parang kulang, hindi kulang, guys. Kung gusto namin lumabas, pwede kami lumabas. Pag ayaw namin, you know. So I have been in Jollibee for 500 times na siguro. Always there, always. So hindi ko na siya binablog, pero majority of the time, 90% nakapost siya sa sa my story ko ba. Yun. Okay naman. Chill. But chill kami today. Yesterday lumabas kami. But tonight, gusto namin lumabas, guys. Mag-disco kami. Pero ang panahon ayaw. So we'll see what will happen. Ayan ang days namin. Relax lang talaga. Kain. Panood ako ng news. Ayan. Kasi, yun nga, dapat mag-monitor tayo what's going on, diba? Nasasad ako, pero sige lang, it'll come good. Mag-pray lang tayo for everybody to be safe. Yun lang talaga, guys. So, yan lang, guys, yung namin today. Naganap namin today, nagluto ako. So, I'm thinking to cook again. Pero I'm not sure kasi sabi ni Daddy baka mag-inasal na lang kami sa labas. So, di ba ang ganda? Ang daming mabili na pagkain sa labas guys. Hindi ka na magluto. May uling roaster. May chok to go. Basta, may mga inasal. Yan. Maraming restaurant na mapuntahan. Pupunta kami sa Mascara Chicken. Minsan dyan kami kumakain. Pag hindi kami nagmamadali kasi ang tagal. So, ayaw namin maghintay ng matagal. So, we just eat at home. Bumibili na lang, eat at home and relax and watch TV. Ayun. So, yan ang vlog natin for today. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. At sana ay magkaroon kayo ng a little bit better picture of what we do here in Philippines. Talaga, kung pasyal ang gusto mo dito guys, talagang madadala ka sa pasyal guys. Mapapagod ka talaga. Ang daming papasyal. Never ending. Kaya, we are planning to stay here for a long time. So, inaano lang namin guys. Parang balanse. Yung dinidivide-divide namin ng time. No? Para na hindi kami ma-run out of places to go. So, dyan lang muna yung iba. Pupuntahan namin yan. Pinaplano namin yan. And then, we go there. Marami talaga kami napuntahan na places guys. So, this Sunday, tomorrow, nag-message na naman yung friend ko. Gusto nila na mag-swimming kami doon sa kanila sa dagat. So, hindi ko alam kung ma-vlog ko yun. So, hindi nyo na siguro yun malalaman. But, we might have to go. O, diba? Ang daming pupuntahan guys. So, in saying that, enjoy life ka dito sa Pilipinas. Huwag ka lang salihan ng mga tao guys na pera lang ang hahanapin sa'yo. Yan ang pinakamasakit. Hindi ka napapansinin pag wala kang pera. Diyos ko. Ayan ang akala nila wala kang pera. Galing ka kaya ng abroad. Tapos, ilang years ka doon. Diba? Bakit mo ibibigay lahat na pera mo sa kanila? Tanga ka. Mag-ipon ka rin for sarili mo at huwag mong sabihin sa kanila. For sure. Diba? So, kayo na gustong umuwi dito, ganyan ang gawin nyo. Huwag mong ibus-buhos kasi minsan hindi natin alam yung tinutulungan natin. Nasasamang tao pala. Pwede tayo malaman mo, too late na. Yan. So, pero never give up on your dream. Ha? Na gusto nyo tumira dito sa Philippines, you know. Live simply pagdating nyo dito. Yung mga tao na maghalin sa inyo, malalaman nyo din kung ano ang purpose nila, bakit kayo nilaging kaibigan, bakit kayo nila nilalapit sa tabi nila, ano ba? Ano ka ba? Yeah. So, think that properly. Yan lang ang advice ko sa inyo guys. But living here in Philippines is good. Basta wag ka lang talaga guys maikutan ng mga tao na masasama ang ginhawa. Diyos ko Lord, iiyak ka talaga sa galit. Yun. So, good luck to all of you that are planning to come to Philippines. Hawakan nyo yung pera nyo mabuti. I-budget yung mabuti. Okay? At saka wag nyong paligiran ang sarili nyo ng napakaraming tao na ang purpose naman pala sa inyo hindi maganda. Right, see you guys! See you in our next vlog. Maraming salamat sa pag-support sa channel namin. I shall see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye guys!
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.